Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the health benefits of cauliflower, okay? It's one of the best foods if you're on the keto plan. Number one, it's a great alternative to rice, mashed potatoes. You can make a pizza crust that tastes almost identical to wheat. If you don't know about my pizza crust recipe, I put a link down below. I've made that probably 100 different times. It's delicious. Mash, cauliflower mash, which is like potatoes. You can make tortillas out of cauliflower, so they're really good to wrap things in. Mac and cheese. And the really cool thing is that the carbs are so low. 1 cup is 5 grams of carbs. We're going to minus the fiber to get our net carbs. It's 3 grams net carbs. I mean, that's like so super low. So it's super keto friendly. It's an alternative to all the comfort foods that people love to eat. Very high in vitamin C. 1 cup will give you 85% of your RDA of vitamin C, which is good to prevent bleeding gums, improve collagen, improve energy. One of the first symptoms of a vitamin C deficiency is fatigue. And then we have choline. 1 cup will give you 45 milligrams of choline. Good to prevent fatty liver. It's good for neurotransmitters, brain function, focus, memory, things like that. And then we have phytonutrients. There are so many different phytonutrients in cauliflower because it's a cruciferous vegetable. Sulforaphane, it can kill cancer on contact. It helps with phase 1, phase 2 detoxification, which is basically taking a poison and turning it into a water-soluble, harmless particle. It's also good for the lymphatic system. There's many other phytonutrients that are anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, anti-tumor. Loaded with vitamin K, B1, B2, B3, B5, folate, magnesium, manganese, and potassium. So as far as keto foods, cauliflower ranks at the top of the food chain. All right, thanks for watching. So if you're enjoying this content, go ahead and share it with someone that could really benefit from it.